Hi guys, I am making some rice today, and put in a pot some olive oil, and I've cut up some grape tomatoes. So I'm going to add some garlic powder. So before all this stuff hit, something told me to buy a bag of basmati, and I'm glad I did. I put in a cup, and I'm just going to fry this for a bit before adding water and saffron. I found in the pantry some mushrooms in a can, so I drained those, put those in, put saffron and a little bit of salt, and now I'm just going to add some water. As you see, I like to have peas in my rice, so I put a bunch of those frozen ones in. I didn't measure it so to taste. I was looking for some beans to put in here, but the kind I have I don't want in with my rice, so I just decided I'm going to go as is, and of course you cover it. And it should be done in 20 minutes. Okay, so this is basically done, and I'm going to do something that my mom used to do every once in a while. And I do it for the dogs, but never done it for myself, so I'm going to try it. Yeah, so I decided to do this. It's not Spanish, but my mom was Spanish. She did it sometimes, and I figured I'd try it. So you basically would just put the lid on and let it cook. I suppose you could mix it all in as well if you don't want a big egg on top. So let's see what happens. I've shut the heat off. So I am going to set a timer and see what happens after, say, 7 minutes. Okay, after 7 minutes, it's not quite done. So what I think I'm going to do is mound around the eggs a little bit more and keep it covered up and come back in a bit. Okay, my mound job. I'm not sure how I feel about those mushrooms, but this is a make do with what you got recipe. Okay, clearly this is not working, so I'm going to put the heat back on low with the lid on. Finally, it's done. Yep, should have put some heat on it in the first place. Anyways, I wish this had some mellow-vision because it smells really good. And I usually put a little bit of sour cream. It might sound weird to people, but I like it. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and hope everyone is doing well. Thank you again for watching and subscribing, and I appreciate you all very much. Have a great day.